Are you ready for seventh grade math? This is a back to school game, and it's a good assessment for the teacher to see if students are ready for their seventh grade math. So it has a review of sixth grade math concepts. There is a pre-test and a post-test that you can give before and after the game to see if they've improved their skills. So the instructions are on slide 2. Students are going to start on slide 3. So you want to instruct them to come up here to the upper right-hand corner, click on slideshow, and that makes it full screen. Much easier for the students to play the game. And they can see here that there are 5 different sections of sixth grade math that they have to master. They have 6 questions for each section. They have to get all 6 questions correct before they can move on to the next section. And they will be able to follow their progress because these will be colored in as they master them. So when they're ready to start, they're going to click on the pencil, and it takes them to the first problem. So each of these problems is in a multiple choice format. We're going to start with algebra, and it says, how do you write the quotient of A and 11? So if they click on the wrong answer, it takes them to a slide that says they're incorrect. They have to click back and go back and try again. Once they get the right answer, it just takes them to the next problem. So as long as they are getting these correct, they keep moving forward in the game. And here we go. So they're going to look at each of these in word form and find the numerical form or the algebraic form of each one. So once they've passed the algebra section, 6 questions, it tells them they finished that section and they're going to move on to geometry. So they click on the pencil, takes them to the next slide where they show their progress. So this is all colored in. They know they've passed the algebra questions. They're moving on to geometry. Now there are 6 questions in geometry. And again, they can see where they've completed this section. So they can watch and see how far they are in the game. And then they have 6 questions on decimals, 6 questions on ratios, 6 questions on number lines. These are fractions and decimals on the number line. And then when they finish the entire game, it says they made it through their math review and they're ready for 7th grade math. And then they can see they've passed all 5 sections. So it's a fun game for the students and it's a good assessment for the teacher. Back to school, are you ready for 7th grade math?